Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Irina Lyamshina and today we will paint Wisteria. For the painting I take acrylic paint. Let's make the sketch. I take the dark violet color, the dark red color, a little bit blue, and we will paint the sketch for the flowers. Now load up on the brush, on the one edge of the brush, the light blue color, and on the other edge the violet color. Blend these colors on the palette and we will make some strokes around like this. Let's take the Filbert brush. I have the Filbert brush number 12. Load up all the brush with the white color and add a little bit a dark red color like this. Blend on the palette. You can use the violet color, the purple color. We will make the strokes like this. Stand the brush perpendicular to the surface and press, twist, press and twist. You can make the small stroke like this, like this. Press lightly and you get the small stroke. Press hard and you will get the big stroke. Let's paint. At first we will paint the lightest petals. Here we'll paint the strokes like this, the big stroke, and small, big and small, big and small, big and small, big and small, small, small. It is a small, small, big. Try to get the strokes with the different size. Here we painted the lightest strokes, and now let's add on the same brush the darker color, the purple, the violet. Blend the colors on the palette and we will paint the stroke here, the big and small, big and small. And here, big and small. And the violet. add the violet. Maybe a little bit blue, and make the strokes here. And here take the dark, very dark color to make these strokes in this part. Make some strokes here. Now I take the flat brush number 14. We will paint the leaves. I load up one edge of the brush with the green color and other edge with the dark red color. Blend these colors on the palette. And let's paint some leaves. Let's take the round brush and paint some details. I take the light green color take the white color and we will outline some petals. and add a little bit yellow color in some places. Here is our flowers. I hope you like it. See you. Bye.